My brother. How are things? Fine. Come, please.
Here, I'm a brother, and I know you are always there for us. Well, we are coming, it is the time for it. I have stepped out, I spoke to you on telephone, and without prior appointment, you said I was welcome. I should come. I was in Bayelsa and Delta. This is the third state I'm coming. I'm starting with your zone on my consultations to see the delegates for what I have come out to do, to seek for the most pivotal office in the country. That's the presidency of Nigeria, which you know I have discussed with you. I'm aware of the sensibilities and feelings here and there, especially self-actualization, rotation, and zoning, and the feelings in the South. I have always considered myself as a Nigerian first, and of course, I'm not representing the North, the Northeast, or anywhere. And I know that there is need for equity and justice and fairness, and I know the PDP, for which I am a member, and that there is no inhibition in terms of zoning or anything for that matter. And we are ready at any point if there is a decision by leaders like you as to where it will go, but that is if it is not late, to abide by the decision of the party. And that's why, based on the timeline and timetable, we are coming out to meet the delegates, especially leaders like you, to offer ourselves. It is not that we are the best, but certainly we are ready to serve the people. Maybe the best, not even maybe, it's you, our leader, and others that have not even come out. But certainly, I'm very conscious of the need for teamwork, for unity, and in the tradition of the PDP, to bring good governance, leveraging on the resources and capacity of people like you in terms of leadership recruitment, bringing the federating entities into one fold to be able to give good governance to Nigerians, as it is always known to be given by the PDP. You know the situation better than me because you are a resource person, even at the level of Governors Forum. And of course, I need your support. You are a #1 delegate in this state, a #1 stakeholder in Nigeria. I'm not doing it for me or for myself, I'm doing it for Nigeria. We are on the brinks. The insecurity is too much, it's unbearable. The economy, for which you are known for your pedigree, antecedents, you know so much of what is happening. Sometimes when you talk to me, I get frightened because you know so much. But certainly, I know with the teamwork that we are known for, that we can come and establish. Again, if we are given responsibility, we'll be able to do it for Nigerians. I have a track record of being a nationalist, a federalist, a civil servant, a reporter like these young people. I know the country very well, and the people of the country know me. I have been tested as a civil servant, I said, a legislator, a minister in Abuja, and now in Bauchi, using small resources to do so much. As you are doing the similar thing here, Your Excellency, I can be trusted. I assure you, I will respect people. I will respect the Nigerian people and their feelings because I know them and they have trusted me before. I didn't betray them. I know all the aspects of leadership, accountability. There is nothing I have not gone through, and you see me standing. So even the party, I will respect the party's supremacy. I will deepen reward system. The main thing is to bring good governance. Please trust me and give me the leadership. I'm not going to do it alone. We are going to do it together because with you and others we can deepen leadership recruitment in a manner that Nigeria will be free of the vagaries of exclusion, nepotism, feeling of separatist movements, and so on and so forth. So I thank you most sincerely for being there for me, waiting for me. And I want to assure you, as a Democrat, all the people who came out are also good. I respect them. We are just competing as patriots. If there is anybody that is given the ticket, I will support him with all my heart. In terms of demographics, the youth of Nigeria have been very, very patient with us. We have sidelined them even at the rudimentary level of going through the tertiary education. So the ASUU issue is a manifestation of bad administration, lack of understanding of the system, lack of feedback mechanism between educational administrators and the government of the day. Because we have to understand some of our limitations in terms of the deployment of resources on the various contending needs in the economy. What is the percentage of the resources deployed to education? Education is the key. Have we prioritized education? Education, you can even incentivize the private sector. Definitely, we will use knowledge and experience. And then clear understanding, feedback mechanism to be able to resolve the issue of ASUU. Not only ASUU as an association, but resolve some of the infrastructural and human capital gaps in our tertiary institution and even in the whole educational sector. Without that, forget about our numbers. Our numbers are such that we have high numbers, but very little decimal of employable numbers that we have among our youth. That is why you have youth restiveness, you have unemployment because they may not be employed. Time has come when we should start exporting labor to our neighbors, to some of the developing countries that are looking for labor. You go to Dubai, you go to Asian countries, you don't see Nigerians. And we are the most intelligent people in terms of intelligent quotient, but we have not harnessed it. This is the reason why I came out. I need people like him who knows the numbers, but they don't have the opportunity. Somebody like me who saw it all. We need to come out collectively. No single individual will do it. So the youth will have hope in me if I'm given the opportunity, because I know there are challenges. Self-actualization, exploitation of their potentials, employment, engagement, and services. That's all they're asking. They're not even asking for to share power. So thank you very much.
Confirm that you are a patriot. And as a Democrat, I like your spirit, which is that democracy is about contestation. There's nothing wrong. And you've thrown your heart in the ring, and you've been quite clear and unambiguous that you know there may be other candidates who possess some other attributes, but you feel that, and you know that you have what it takes to run this country and deal with the critical and fundamental issues affecting us today. What I want to assure you is that for us in Edo, we are PDP. And we want our party to produce the next president. And whatever the party agrees to do, as long as it's fair and just, we in Edo will support. You've come to see our delegates. Once you called, I told them that they should all come out this evening to wait for you, to come and listen to you, so that they also have the privilege of hearing from you and making the decisions that they feel they need to make when the time comes. But as you know, you are our friend. You are in our prayers. I like your courage. I respect your courage and your tenacity. And all we can do is to pray to Almighty God, who knows all, to give you the strength and the energy. You already have the courage to go through this. By the grace of God, I'm sure everything will turn out well.
Where you have to take care of my police. Who is the chairman of the
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.